Hello guys, day 5 of our Wales tour. We stayed last night at the Helmsman Guest House, which was really good. It had a sea view, the room was very spacious, and it had secure off-street parking behind the property. And this was the breakfast they served us with, all included in the price. So it's a big thumbs up for the Helmsman Guest House. So today we head east towards Devil's Bridge Falls, then south down to Lampeter, and then on to the Brecon Beacons where we zigzag up to Brecon, and then continue south, ending up in Barry. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. So we had a quick stop in Lampeter, stretch our legs, have a quick bite to eat, and then back on the road, heading down towards Brecon Beacons. The A4069 through the Brecon Beacons was absolutely stunning. We had to stop for a while to admire the view. We did a quick pass of the Danny Rogoff caves. They are definitely worth a visit if you get the chance. Quick stop in Brecon to stretch the legs and top up with fuel, and then back on the road. take you in the bathroom first. We have a shower, sink and toilet, really standard. We have wardrobe space. We have made ourselves at home again. We've got a little coffee table, I suppose, flat screen TV. We're in the twin room tonight, so a couple of single beds. Nice view out the window. We're on the second floor. And you can see, look, in the distance, a sea view. The main reason for coming here was to visit the location of the hit comedy series Gavin and Stacey. Well worth a watch if you get the chance. So we had a wander to Stacey's home and a trip down to the seaside to Marco's Cafe and of course Vanessa's Slots.